So I'm out here working on the Chevette, and unfortunately I have to. The car left me stranded twice last weekend. Once was because of the battery. The battery was old and very worn out. The positive terminal was actually loose inside of the battery. So the battery was definitely no good. The other problem was a little more troubling. The car doesn't want to idle correctly. So sitting at low idle, it could just randomly die. Or worse, when you're driving and you come to a stop, when you push in on the clutch, let off the gas, and the idle drops and it just dies. That's not good, that's not safe. And so I've talked to a few people. There's a few things that I need to check right now. Hopefully one of these things can fix it. One thing is on the carburetor, there's a little screw that you can remove and clean out inside of the carburetor. I guess these Solex carburetors, at least down there, they gum up inside, and you have to clean out this one part every so often. Considering the car sat for almost 6 months, that's a good possibility. Another possibility is that it has the older point style ignition, and I might need to take off the distributor, clean everything up inside, make sure all that's good. If neither of those things fix it, then I have to look a little bit deeper. But for now, I'm going to open up the carburetor and get to cleaning that up. So now I can't remember if it's this screw here that I need to take out or this screw here. Maybe both of them. I know this is the idle control down here.
Espera que eu também não tenho certeza.
So my father-in-law confirmed it's this screw here. Now you clean inside here. So let's see if that makes a difference. It seems like that helped. The engine's still cold, so it's a little shaky, but it's not dying. Since I have it out, I think I'll actually go ahead and look at the distributor anyway. The rotor looks good. It's a little old, but it's not all worn out. Probably get a new one of those while we're in Brazil. Cap looks good. Cap looks just fine. That was supposed to be replaced before the car was brought up here. So that all looks good. I'm going to clean it up some and put it back on. So everything looks good. Let's start her up. So as you can see, it seemed to be working well. I got it up to temperature, took it for a drive, and didn't have any problems. I'll have to wait until I go for a longer drive before I really know whether or not it's fixed. Until then, I'm going to put the car in the box and call this the end of the video. If you like this and you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. Love to read your comments. and see you next time.